financial independence isn't about owning a yacht. It's about not being owned by fear. It's about not panicking when your car breaks down, not stressing when your boss makes another bad decision. It's knowing you can walk away, not just dream about it. Welcome to Rob's Wisdom Den. Today, I'll give you 4 powerful, real-world rules to help you become financially independent, step by step. And trust me, the 4th one, that's the unlock most people never reach. Let's begin. True wealth isn't just what you make, it's what you keep. Want financial independence? Start spending like someone who already has it. Skip the £4 lattes 5 times a week. Brew at home and save £1,100 a year. Buy the used Honda Civic instead of leasing a BMW. Live in a modest apartment while others mortgage their future for a kitchen island. Every pound you don't flex today becomes freedom you do own tomorrow. Start treating every purchase as a trade-off. Is this worth more than my freedom? Your job gives you security until it doesn't. The financially independent build multiple streams of income. Start simple. Turn your photography hobby into stock photo sales. Use Fiverr or Upwork to freelance writing, coding or design. Flip furniture. Resell thrift finds on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Create a £10 digital guide on a topic you know, like budgeting for single mums or meal prep for busy dads. These don't need to replace your income today, but they'll insulate you tomorrow. The goal isn't to work 100 hours a week, it's to build income that works when you don't. Most people intend to save and invest, but intentions are weak, systems win. Set up automatic transfers, 10% to an ISA, 5% to an emergency fund. Round up transactions to invest spare change, apps like Acorns or Revolut. And stop overcomplicating investing. Buy index funds. Let them sit. Stop staring at charts. Example: if you invest £200 per month into a fund starting at 25, by 45, you'll likely have £160,000 plus, even with average returns. Don't just invest money, invest consistency. Let your wealth grow silently in the background. Most people were trained to be consumers since childhood. But financial independence starts when you become a partial owner of the system you were born into. Instead of spending £100 on Jordans, buy £100 of Nike stock, paying Netflix monthly, buy Netflix shares quarterly, watching YouTube 2 hours a day, create your own channel or monetize your skills. You don't need £1 million to start investing. You can buy fractional shares for £10. What matters is shifting your identity and from spender to builder. Ownership changes the way you think. Suddenly, you're not just trying to survive, you're designing your life. Let's break it down. Your 4-step path to financial freedom. 1. Spend like you value freedom more than status. 2. Build at least 1 second income stream this year. 3. Automate everything so your habits run on autopilot. 4. Shift your mindset. Become an owner, not just a consumer. Comment below, which of these are you starting today? Even a baby step matters. Write it down. Subscribe to Rob's Wisdom Den for tools, truth and transformation, not hype. And if someone in your life is stuck financially, share this. It might just be their way out. Because financial independence isn't a number in your bank. It's a mindset, a lifestyle, a choice. And the earlier you choose it, the sooner you'll live it.